Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Instagram username. If you're using Instagram and you want to change your Instagram username, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app to prevent issues. Open your App Store or Play Store and you have to go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you have any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating you have to simply go back, open your Instagram app, and here just go to your profile by typing on this profile option. And your profile, you just have to tap on this edit profile option, and here you'll get your username. Just tap on your username here, and you have to edit your username. And here you have to also keep in mind this description below that you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. Your username is visible to everyone and of Instagram. So if you want to edit your username, you can only edit it up to 5 times in 30 minutes. So I'm going to change my username here. You can clear it or you can add anything else in your username here. Once you have added or written your username, just tap on this done option. Instagram will check if username is available or not. So if it's not available, you are unable to change your username. You have to try to change your username again. And once you have done, your username will be successfully changed to your Instagram profile. So in this way, you can easily change Instagram username. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.